Eye care is our solution for the skin around the eyes. Obviously, first of all, we've incorporated here our NAD precursors, which improve how our skin regenerates itself by fueling our anti-aging genes called sirtuins. Together with that, we have matched to the NAD precursors two types of peptides. The first type of peptides are promoting collagen production in the skin and thickening the skin. The other type of peptides are neuropeptides, peptides that deaden some of the signals from the brain to our muscles in the skin and basically apply a little bit of a wrinkle erasing effect. Together, we are achieving both short-term resolution of signs of aging, but also long-term by thickening the skin, providing structure for the skin, and fueling repair process in the skin. This is your all-in-one go-to treatment for the skin around the eyes.